Good morning, friends. Let's do some movements this morning. 3 minutes of stretching and gently guided movements. Take a moment to hydrate first with the beverage of your choice. Welcome to Motivational Aunt Ro, where we motivate, meditate, and inspire. Let's begin. Stretch out as far as you can and just loosen up a little bit. All right, I'm bending over to have a Bella break. Give me 1 minute here. She likes to be involved. Okay, we're back to the program here. Take this time to think of happy thoughts and how you're going to start your day today. Let's start. Stretching out, stretching to the sky. Feel the stretch as far as you can go. Slow or fast, just stretch. Keep those happy thoughts. Now let's bend over and touch the ground. We're going to start lifting our legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thanks so much. Shake it off, guys. Let's do some twisting side to side. Loosen yourself up. It feels so good. Miss Bella's coming back. Here she is. There she goes. Do as many as you can, but it feels good and it loosens you up and it gets you moving. Now start punching up into the sky with each arm. Just stretching each arm up. As many as you can do. Keep going. Great job. Now we're just going to stand in place and kind of shake up our legs a little bit. Walk a few steps in place. As many as you can do. Remember to focus on happy thoughts. Now we're just going to do a little stretching before we wrap things up. Look up to the sky. Put your arms up as high as they can go. Hold that stretch for a second. Take a moment if you need it. Now let's touch your toes. From side to side, crisscross. As many as you can do. Remember to subscribe, like, and share to Motivational Aunt Ro. Love you guys for joining. I hope this has helped you today. Thank you so much for watching Motivational Aunt Ro. Please subscribe to join our community. I post each week, and I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. I appreciate you all. We'll end this 3-minute stretching movement session with a few more shakes. Just keep it going, guys, whatever you can do. Move around a little bit. Thank you so much for joining. Love, love. Have a great day. Hope this helps. Bye.